What's going on, everybody? This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. Um, it's been a minute, everybody. But then let me just rush to the charts because I mean, you know what I'm all about. Like every day, when I say every day, this is what exactly what I mean. Now you need to understand something about the market. The market is going to do the same thing over and over again. What you need to do is to learn how to adjust yourself in preparation of the market, is to learn how to prepare yourself when the market does what it does, it finds you not wanting. So let me look at this pair, a couple of pairs now. You see, this was yesterday. This is the GBP USD. Yesterday was a Monday, but look at that. The GBP USD, before it moved up, before it rallied all the way to the top, look at the W that was formed down there, and look at that. And look at that. It moved all the way up. That is somewhat 100 pips. Look at the entry now. Look at the entry. One of the factors of entry is the railway line. Look at that. That railway line over there. It was a good entry point. It was a good entry confirmation for us. When a railway line is formed like this is a T. When a railway line is formed in a place, in a key area in the market like this, it's a confirmation that you need to come into the market. You need to come into the market. But then, like, because um, we were trading for the day, our target was basically 50 pips a day, which means yesterday we could manage to get about 72 pips, which is not bad a day. Like every day you get 50 pips, and so far we're doing so well. Now let's look at another pair again. This is today. This is like 10 minutes back or 30, I don't know, like an hour back. You see, I was on this trade. I want to show you what happened here. I was on this trade here. I was seeing the first leg of the W setup. And like after seeing the first leg of the W setup, you see, I was tempted to enter the market somewhere here. But I said, no, let me wait for the market. There are some things that I wait for confirmation. And when I saw those things happening in the market, which is what you get to learn when you come into our program, I did not worry myself. I entered the market somewhere here. And after entering, the market literally gave me 50 pips in this one candlestick. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. And this is how simple it was. Look at that, 53 pips. Just in this one candlestick, the market gave me 53 pips. You know, I always time my trades. When they're not in profit in a certain period or time frame, I'm out. I'm out. And when the market rewards me like this, I'm blessed, and then I'm out as well. So you see, this is happening every day. Like, you see, this is happening every day. This is the USD JPY today. This is, and the market is still moving now as I'm blogging this video. Look at that. That M setup. I entered this trade again, and then I left early because of some factors that I was putting into consideration. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Of course, it was not much, but the market is still going to move down. 40 pips. Not bad, not bad. And let's look at yesterday again. Look at the a very big M setup right over there. Look at a very big M setup. Very big M setup right over there. Very, very big M setup. Very big M setup. And after what does the market do? The market moves down all the way to the bottom. Look at that. 113 pips. It is just that simple. It is just that simple. All you need to do is to focus on a couple of things that I teach on my program. And after learning those things, you imply them, you implement them, and then you make money. There is no, it's just learning the rules of the market, the rules of the market. The same thing I'm teaching every day is what is happening every day. Sometimes you just need to look at one pair for all you can. You understand? God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I wanted to share just a few tips on how you can enter the market and also how these things are happening every day, how you can enter the market and how these things are happening every day. Please, if you need to email me forexrockstar01@gmail.com. forexrockstar01@gmail.com. I love you. Yours truly signing out. God bless you. Love you so much. Stay blessed.